10 home exercises for toning every part of your body. We are all aware that regular exercise is beneficial to our health. However, with so many options and information available, it's easy to become confused about what works. But don't worry, we have your back. Check out these 10 exercises for optimum fitness. Combine them into a workout routine for a simple yet effective workout that will keep you in shape for the rest of your life. After 30 days, you should see increases in your muscle strength, endurance, and balance. Plus, you'll notice a change in how your clothing fit. A win-win situation. 1. Push-ups. Because of the amount of muscles activated, push-ups are one of the most basic yet effective bodyweight exercises you can perform. Perform 3 sets of as many repetitions as possible. If you can't quite complete a regular push-up with proper form, try a modified stance on your knees. You'll still get many of the advantages while increasing strength. 2. Lunges. A well-rounded fitness plan includes exercises that challenge your balance. Lunges do this by fostering functional movement while also strengthening your legs and glutes. Complete 3 sets of 10 repetitions. 3. Side planks. A healthy body is based on a strong core, thus core-specific workouts like the side plank should not be ignored. To ensure you're performing this motion correctly, concentrate on the mind-muscle connection and regulated movements. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on one side before switching. 4. Burpees. Burpees, an exercise we all hate, are a super effective whole-body move that gives a lot of bang for your money in terms of cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength. As a newbie, complete 3 sets of 10 reps. 5. Squats. Squats strengthen the lower body and core as well as the lower back and hip flexibility. They also offer a tremendous calorie-burning punch since they engage some of the largest muscles in the body. Complete 3 sets of 20 reps. 6. Planks. Planks are an excellent technique to work your abdominal muscles as well as your entire body. Planking helps to maintain your core without stressing your back like sit-ups or crunches do. Begin with 2 to 3 sets of 30-second holds. 7. Standing overhead dumbbell presses. Compound exercises, which use many joints and muscles, are ideal for busy bees since they engage multiple portions of your body at the same time. Standing overhead presses are not just one of the greatest workouts for your shoulders, but they also work your upper back and core. Complete 3 sets of 12 reps of standing dumbbell presses for better results. 8. Dumbbell rows. Dumbbell rows not only make your back look great in that dress, but they are also a complicated workout that works numerous muscles in your upper body. Select a moderate weight dumbbell and make sure you're squeezing at the top of the movement. Repeat for a total of 3 sets of 10 repetitions. 9. Glute bridge. The glute bridge exercises your whole posterior chain, which not only benefits you, but also makes your booty seem perkier. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 10. Single leg deadlifts. This is another workout that will challenge your stability. Single leg deadlifts need leg strength and stability. Grab a light to moderate dumbbell to finish this workout. 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions per side are recommended. Hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.